Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good because we've got another collective tarot reading for you today. And in today's reading, we are looking at the person on your mind, their current thoughts and feelings for you. So let's get into it.
Walk on charity, Jesus, walk on charity, Jesus, walk on charity. Welcome, 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 Jesus, yeah.
So, we're going to get straight into this read, okay? Let us know what you are sipping on today, okay? And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wild One Terror and Tea. We do usually open our readings with some okay? Good gratitude, okay? So we're gonna just keep it swift, just say thank you universe, thank you spirit guides, thank you guardian angels, thank you ancestors, thank you spirit guides for the messages we're about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment, okay? Sometimes we do them beforehand on the collective readings, okay? And or during the readings, okay? And we also have a lot of rewind moments because child, when those messages come through, sometimes they sound like gobbledygook and you're like, what, okay? So person on your mind, current feelings. Remember, this is a collective tarot reading, okay? So we're just going to see what wants to come through, okay? But we're going to start with these intuitive messages first. We have strong arms that make you feel safe and cherished. Okay. So it feels like they're trying to give you clues on who they are. Okay. Their current thoughts and feelings. We're looking into the person on your mind. Current thoughts and feelings. And we've already got, there's a feeling about making you feel safe and cherished. Okay. What else do they want you to know? We have, they may have a medium skin tone. Perhaps you may have a medium skin tone, and it could be of different complexions. Okay. Oh, we have here a warm, genuine smile that lights up his face. Okay. What else do they want you to know? Okay, we have here a confident stride that commands attention. Ooh la la, okay? We have here brown hair, okay? We have bald, okay? So they could have hair, they could perhaps be have they could be bald. Freckles. Freckles has been popping up quite often in the reads, okay? We have a casual yet stylish sense of fashion that is uniquely his own. So this person carries their own kind of like type of style, okay? And I feel like it's almost like I'm getting like it's their kind of own trademark. It's their own, like when you see them, it's just, you know, yeah, that's John. That's definitely John. Okay, we're gonna just call your person John. Okay, we tend to call your person John and call you the collective Jane. Okay, just to help to bring a little bit of that kind of like personification into the read. Okay, right. So what else do they want you to know? Because we're getting a lot of clues on things about them and things about that they may like, or this could be how they enjoy or they recognize that you are seeing this in them. Now we do have some messages here about I know you see me. Let's see if they pop out. Any messages about I know you see me, I know you notice me messages. Okay, look at this. We have here eyes that crinkle at the corners when he laughs. Who is this person? Who? Who is this person? Okay. Has it been something you've noticed? There could be something short about them, or perhaps it could be there might be a height difference. Perhaps you could be short. It could be also a way that they're trying to. I feel like they're still trying to send little messages. Okay. And sometimes we find that at the start of the read, it's kind of like giving little clues, and then it's like it breaks that the we're kind of unfolding those blockages, okay, on their thoughts and feelings. Dimples, we have dimples. A confident, graceful posture that exudes self-assuredness. What else do they want you to know? We have glasses. Glasses. Okay. A captivating laughter that brightens up a day, brightens up any room. Okay. Okay. Now it feels like it's getting warmer now, getting warmer and getting warmer. We have muscular. So they could be very muscular. Okay. We have here a captivating scent that lingers long after he's gone. Ooh, wait. Okay. We have strong, broad shoulders that offers a sense of protection. And hey, rewind. We told you we have rewind moments. Okay, let's get it out. An athletic build that speaks of determination and vitality. Oh, okay. We have, look, now look, it's coming through. I see you. I see you, Jane, looking at me. And I know my tousled hair gives off that casual yet captivating vibe. You can't resist. Look at that. They could have locks, okay? Dreadlocks, they could have locks, okay? What else? Oh, it could be something that you have as well. So take it where it resonates, okay? Oh, okay. We have intense gaze that holds unwavering focus. So there's an intense gaze, okay? So there's lots of like a strong energy here, okay? It feels like a lot of, look at how the cards are just kind of unfolding. Like there's a lot of energy here. We have wavy here. Wavy here. What else do they want you to know? Ooh, did we? I don't think we read this one. I see you, Jane, looking at me, and I know that those dimples that appear when I laugh bring a smile to your own lips. Let's have a look and see what we have. Eyes that seem to hold the secrets of the universe. Okay. And we have again. I'm getting the message of Pierre Andre, Mysterious Girl. Oh, mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. Hey, hey! Mysterious eyes that hold an air of intrigue. We have I see you looking at me, Jane, and I know you're curious about my eyes. Wondering about the stories they could tell. All right. Okay. What else did they want to let you know? Last shuffle. Okay. We have they may have facial hair. Okay. Again, I see you. I see you looking at me, and I know you're enchanted by my warm and genuine smile that lights up my face when I see you. Okay. So there is a strong energy of like when they see you, you know, it gives them a really nice warm feeling inside. We have a playful demeanor that brings joy to those around him. Okay, now let's have a look at what the tarot wants to tell us. We're going to have a look at the Modern Love Tarot. We're going to big up the 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 creator Ethany, who's also on YouTube. So big up, big up, big up, big up to Ethany. I love this deck, okay, and the imagery, okay, representing, you know, human life, human form, okay. So let's have a look and see what messages wants to come through from the tarot regarding the person on your mind and their current thoughts and feelings. We can see that there's a lot of energy here about your aura, your presence, like like the gaze, the smiles. It's kind of like an energy of like they feel very uplifted when they're around you. Let's see what the cards want to tell us. Additional messages. Oh, I feel like something wants to come out. Let's have a look. We have there's a lot of passionate energy here, and we can see that with the Ace of Wands being here. It's saying, yep, there is a lot of traction here. Okay, it could also be very much sexual attraction. Just this kind of energy of like your energy uplifts. Okay, and I feel like it's very much a mutual. Look how all the flowers are coming together, okay, in a union. Things are blossoming with all the leaves. Can you see that? Hey, what else do they want you to know? Let's see what's significant at the front. Ooh, we have the Knight of Wands. So again, you know, someone who's have a knight in shining armor, who's very attractive, very drawn, wanting towards you, wanting to come towards you. And we have, look at this, the world. Okay, so I feel like there could be lots of things about you that they're attracted to, and I feel like with the world, it's like there's opportunities here to explore and get to know them on a deeper level. Okay, now I'm going to pull from the middle. Let's see what the middle wants to let us know. Okay, Three of Wands. Look at this. Okay, so there could be someone who wants to travel, wants to come towards you. Okay, this person may have had thoughts about wanting to come and explore, wanting to come and see where this can grow, see where it can take you, see where it can lead. Okay, now I feel drawn again to pull from the middle. Okay, let's have a look again. But we have the Judgment. Okay, just gonna see what was here, and the King of Wands is here. But we have I feel like the Judgment is that there is the Judgment is kind of telling us there could be, perhaps it's like this energy is a mutual feeling, but there is still kind of like a waiting, watching. Okay, I feel like this energy that we've seen from the cards earlier is very much like they get this intense feeling when they see you, but it's also, I feel like there's also perhaps from your side, let's calling you Jane, you're also waiting to see what move they're going to take. Okay, so let's have a look at their actions. What are their current actions towards you? What are their current actions towards you? What are their current actions? Something wants to come out. What are their current actions towards you? Okay, we have the Page of Wands. So with the Page of Wands, they are the I would say the deliveries. They are the deliverers of messages. Okay, so there could be some messages coming towards you. It could be them wanting to make contact, wanting to engage with you. Okay, find out what you're doing, perhaps even take you on a date. Okay, we're gonna pull out the date. We're gonna pull out the date messages as well. But we have the Eight of Swords. Okay, so there is still a feeling with the Eight of Swords being here, like I feel like someone could be still caught up in their head, maybe not sure, okay, what's going on, how can this grow, how can this build. Okay, And we have here the Hierophant. So I feel like the Hierophant is also asking you to kind of take lessons from this union. And I feel like it's also kind of just saying just to be mindful, learn, as well as trust your intuition. Okay. Okay, I feel drawn to pull from the middle again because there's a Two of Pentacles. Perhaps it could be that there could be a long distance issue here. It could be also trying to prioritize work and time. Perhaps you both live busy lives. Okay, perhaps there could be some things that's causing some instability in why the Eight of Swords is here and causing some kind of like, where are they, or where is their head right now when it comes to us? I'm kind of getting that message, okay? Because there's a lot of strong messages here about and this could be a crush, it could be a love interest, this could be someone where there's been some back and forth, and maybe perhaps there's been a separation, and they are kind of just still kind of like looking and trying to work things out, okay? All right, so let's pull out a Jamaican proverb and let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants us to know at this time, okay? So can we have a message from the Jamaican proverb for the collective? Okay. Right, so we have two that came out. So let's have a look. We have not expect nothing from a pig, but a grunt. So, okay, so in Jamaican patois, not expect nothing from a pig, but a grunt. Okay, so do not expect anything from a pig, but a grunt. Okay, don't expect or have high hopes or expectations if you know someone is an idiot. Don't be fooled by an idiot. Okay, so there's a message here, and because there is a lot of one's energy. Okay, so this person could be very creative, this person could be very fiery, very passionate, like they may lead by passion, or but I feel like maybe perhaps that where the caution is because we've seen a lot of fiery energy, but we haven't seen cups, and cups is like, I feel like this person is could also be using that energy, or to stay in that energy, to not really show their emotional vulnerable side. There perhaps could be some blockages there. So we're gonna have a look and see, okay, what other messages could there could be. But we also have the member say the wolves have ears. Members say the wool have ears, okay? So in Jamaican patois, members say, okay? Members say the wall have ears, okay? So remember, okay? Just remember the wool have ears. And you may have heard this proverb before. Be careful who is listening. Be careful who is listening. So I feel like the message could also be here to remind us that perhaps there's been some conversations going on, or I feel like it's kind of some of you just to be mindful of what this person could be saying to others, okay? Take what resonates. So let's have a look and see if through the oracles, um, romantic oracle, angel oracle, let's see what wants to come through, okay? So this is a collective reading, okay? So we're just going to have a look and see what messages, and we do kind of base these collective readings off the pick a card readings, themes from the pick a card readings. Okay. Ooh. We have honeymoon. So enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So there could be someone who wants to take some time with you, go out, okay, enjoy that passion or rekindle passion. Perhaps this could be someone who is from your recent past, or somebody who still wants to make amends, or there's been some kind of separation, okay? Or it could also be a current love interest that wants to get to know you, okay? Look at the imagery, wants to get to know you on a deeper level, build that intimate relation. Look at this, we've got romantic feelings. So there are some romantic feelings, and we can see that, you know, with all this, I see you looking at me, and I know you're curious about my eyes, okay? And look what's going on in this imagery. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Okay, we have let go of control issues, and there could be some control issues because we saw it earlier with the Eight of Swords. Okay, and it's this feeling of like um perhaps this as well, why the Hierophant is there is this person could have also, I'm getting the message, may have like tried to listen to a lot of kind of, oh, this is how like dating games or the rules of dating, to kind of come across as hard to please, or hard to I feel like perhaps there could be some kind of some kind of scenario going on here as well. We also have children, so your love life is being affected by children. I feel like it could also be the inner child, okay, and how they see or value love. And it could also be physical children, where perhaps some of you may have children, and it's also trying to work around or arrange, as we saw earlier, the Two of Pentacles. So it could be trying to adjust, trying to see how you can try and fit your time, prioritize time around this love interest. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the dating. Let's have a look at some dating messages. Let's meet up for coffee. Okay, let's have a look. And can we see that it's in a coffee tub as well? Okay, love to be very creative around here. Okay, so let's see what wants to come out for the collective. Okay, so we have, let's see what some things that they may say. I'd love to learn more about you. Look, again, this is the energy, as we saw, of the Hierophant. Okay, wanting to learn, wanting to take time to understand. Okay, I'd love, and we saw it also with the Page of Wands. Okay, it's this kind of, again, that the younger energy, the childlike, or inner child energy. Okay, so I'd love to learn about your favorite cuisines. How about how about we meet up for coffee and talk about our food adventures? Ooh la la. That would be a really good way to open up, okay? And I feel like this person wants to open up. Perhaps they may stay in this surface level, okay? And I feel like it's not so much like surface level in that it's just appearance. I feel like they may kind of go via their passions to help to create this sense of intense feelings. Okay, I'd love to discover your hidden talents. How about we meet for coffee and showcase our skills? Okay, now this is also giving me another message about members say the wall have ears. So perhaps, again, these skills, I feel like it could also be mindful of the neighbors. Just saying. Okay, your sense of adventure is inspiring. Let's meet up for coffee and plan our next thrilling escapade. What else do they want you to know? We have, you have a unique way of looking at the world. How about we meet up for coffee and discuss our perspectives? Okay. So there's definitely like an interest of wanting to learn, okay? Really wanting to take that time to learn. Your determination inspires me. Let's meet up for coffee and discuss how we can achieve our goals. Okay. I am intrigued by your taste in music. Let's meet up for a coffee and exchange our favorite playlist. Okay, so I'm just gonna clarify with the good karma. Okay, this is one of my favorite for clarifying messages. Okay, and we're just going to have a look at what are their true intentions towards you. What are their true intentions towards you? Okay, so we have the Page of Wands. Their true intentions is wanting to get to know you. Okay, I feel like they could be someone who could overwhelm themselves a bit, but I feel like they just generally have an interest of wanting to know you. I feel like this person could also be someone who may want to like connect via some kind of like I feel like maybe discussing passions, and especially if you look what's going on, we've got the Four of Wands behind here. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So I feel like this person may want to see, like I'm getting to see where this takes us. See where this takes us. Okay, let's just see what's significant at the front and the back. So we got the Seven of Cups. So perhaps there could be this flexibility here where, you know, you've got like, well, there might be more than one person who has an interest in me. Okay, this could be you, or this could be also perhaps you are thinking about, do I really want love at this time? You know, maybe there's other things or other passions of mine that is interesting me at this time. Okay, I also had the urge, sudden urge to just give my head an itch. Okay, and we also have, because we look, the Six of Cups in reverse. So this could be someone who is new. Okay, it could be someone who is new. It could be someone who is younger, because we seem to have a lot of Page of Wands have come twice. Okay, so it could be someone who's younger. They could be the same age as you, but they may carry a very young energy. But we're now seeing cups finally, okay, in the reads. So I feel like when now that we've seen Seven of Cups and Six of Cups, there there could be some kind of like, and the fact that we saw Two of Pentacles earlier, there could be some kind of like instability. Perhaps again, it could be the nature that this is somebody who's new, and you know, feelings are starting to flourish. It could be someone who could be trying to reconcile, okay, or trying to come back in a new way. It could be someone who's new, and it's like still like testing the waters and seeing whether this crush or love interest is somebody that you want to pursue. Okay, and whether you want to go on a date. Now this one seems to be popping out, so let's have a look. Look, we got it's the Fool, but it's the Fool in reverse. So this kind of is this is what's giving this energy of perhaps there is some kind of apprehension to taking a new leap, taking a new chance on something. Okay, and I feel like the seeing all these ones messages, which are all kind of symbolizing the message of energy, creativity, okay, taking action, could be why the Fool is also in the reverse mode, because it's like there's the energy of like, I do feel like this person is interested in me, but at the same time, you know, I feel like it could be still maybe both of you wanting, and perhaps you're both mirroring each other's energy. Okay, so let's have a look and see what are the blockages right now. We're going to use these Surrender Oracle cards. Let's see what blockages are there currently with this in this union. What are the blockages? What needs to surrender? Okay, thank you. We have surrender to denial. Accept people and situations exactly as they are without denying the difficulties. Then you can see things clearly and make the best decisions. So perhaps for some of you, there could be this energy going on, okay? especially as we said earlier, that we're seeing a lot of one's energy. Okay, and especially when it comes to love reading, you want to see a variety. Especially, I like to see, as a tarot reader, I like to see lots of pentacles. Okay, as what like an ace of pentacles, or you see an ace of cups. Okay, ace of wands is good. However, it kind of more refers to a sexual energy. Okay, this person may have a big D energy, and we're kind of seeing that there's lots of one's energy that it's giving off like a playful energy. Okay, and if the playful energy isn't what you're looking for, this is what you're gonna ask yourself. Okay, especially how we saw the Seven of Cups earlier, is this something that you want to explore? Okay, so always trust your intuition. We have surrender to the full power. So this is the energy of the Strength card. Okay, your life is calling for you to step in your full power rather than playing it small. Okay. Okay, so I feel like if there is somebody who might have been, feeling you, you're feeling them. I think I feel like the message is kind of asking you to trust your intuition, trust your gut, trust how you feel. Okay, because this person, is giving off a lot of kind of playful sexual energy vibes. Okay, and if that's not what you're looking for, okay, perhaps I'm getting maybe for the night, for the week, but do you want it for, is that all you want? For a season, for a year, for a decade, okay, for a century, okay? This is the message I'm getting. You've got to ask yourself that question, okay? So let's have a look at, feeling drawn for something. We're going to have a look at the chakras. Let's have a look at the chakras. Let's have a look at and see what the chakras want to let us know regarding this person. What's going on with this person? Why they are kind of just showing up as a kind of sexual energy? Why they keep showing up as just the ones? What's going on here? What's going on here? What does the collective need to know? I feel like that wanted to come out, but we'll see. Let the ones that they need to see fly away. Okay, thank you. We have, it's the root. The root. And we saw the Page of Wands twice. Okay, look at that. And we see the Six of Cups as well, which is also reminisce the kind of like the childhood energy. And look, the Page of Wands again. Look, this energy of playing. Okay, costume dressing. Perhaps that could be something they're into. Okay, cosplay. Look at this. This is like looking back at the cycles of life, okay? Remembering, thinking of when people say, oh yes, the good old days. Back in the day. Oh, do you remember back in the day? This is the Six of Cups energy, okay? So there's some blockages here. And I feel like, sometimes you can see that when it's also, when someone is not opening up emotionally, okay, in the reads, and you can kind of see it when you see just like very much a lot of one's energy. And we saw the Knight of Wands earlier, and the Knight of Wands is that kind of, again, playful energy. Okay, so I trust that my instincts are correct, and I hope you can see that. Let's see if we can get, yes, brilliant, we've got some focus now. I trust that my instincts are correct, and I let my natural intuitive feelings guide me forwards. I will know what I need to do and how to respond with wisdom to situations that come my way. I have an innate desire to be of service in life. As I tap into this feeling, I will know what service I am called to do because I believe in myself. Okay, I believe in myself. Okay. So we're going to end this read with a travel intuitive message. But I feel like the message here is to trust your intuition. What is your intuition telling you? Okay, what does your the use of your discernment, let that guide you to where you need to go. Okay. All right, let's have a look. So if we look here, okay, it's a beautiful path. Look at this, it's a beautiful path. But is it a path that you both want to take? Okay, this is the question that you've got to ask yourself. Look how playful it looks. But again, is this a path that you want to take? So take the messages that resonate, because this is a collective reading, okay? But for the collective, okay, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Patois. It simply means this is how it goes around here. But be sure to feel good, look good, feel irie, stay blessed, keep sipping. Okay, wave your flags in the comments. Let us know what you've been sipping on or snacking on. Okay, put it in the comments. Okay, and be sure to put a thumbs up because it helps the channel to grow and help us to connect with more people like you so we can build this community and family up. Okay, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, gwan.